have it sent for. It's probably only, the tote's only about half full. Hi, Pasty Moni. Hi, Lovely. It has 2 Dollar General Tidy Bowls in it. I do have 2 more. I'll add another can. I did change my profile pic. Everyone kept telling me that I was pretty and stuff, and I was like, guys, that's not me, that's AI. And then I felt uncomfortable, so I changed that one, and I changed my backup pic too. Okay, I'll add a can. Do you want lemon or OG? What, Bubba? Okay, I'll add lemon. Tidy bowl. There's so many clumps. She's getting thick. I can hand mix as soon as I get more powder sent in, I guess. Because it's still so liquidy. I can hand mix after I add the tidy bowl and the can. I almost just government name doxed you. It's still like pretty liquidy, but the clumps are insane. Okay. Uno momento while I go grab the tidy bowl. Pipe down, not as cool as you. Did I miss a comment? I now have 15 of each available. Technically, I have more lemon, but they're outside. Hi, B. When I use a cutting apparatus. It was just a little, I'm not bleeding or anything, so it's okay. It's just a little minor pokey poke. Yeah, I use a screwdriver too. And it's way easier, but I don't know where mine is. And the only other ones I found were too big to fit through the opening. Hi, Clean Talk Ashley. Or wait, how do you say it? Hi, friend. Yeah, I did that, and I just went through both sides and got myself. Hi, Legacy. Good, how are you? Hi, Ice Powder Princess. It's the Dollar General Tidy Bowl, guys. It's beautiful. I'm going to hand mix in a second. Since B asked for hand mixing earlier, asked about it. I don't know if you meant you wanted it, but you're going to get it. Thank you, Erin. I appreciate you all for sending and hanging and chatting with me. I'm gonna have blue arms for days. I'm gonna have to wear a long sleeve shirt tonight. Uh-oh. Do you want to be single? Well, last time I used it, it didn't dye my arms. Or my hands. Or my sponges, so... Girl, it's been 5 years since I've been single. I never went through party phase either. I feel like I'm missing out. Oh yeah, Jennifer. Tidy Bowl stains bad. This one's the Dollar General Tidy Bowl, so maybe the formula is just different or something. But it's never stained me, but I've only used it like 3 times. Or I had like a couple spots, but it came off with a little scrubbing. Okay guys, I have more cans available to go in. I have 11 lemon and I think 15 OG. Go party. I'm actually going to a party tonight. With my husband though. But no kids, so maybe I'll turn up. Just kidding, I won't turn up. Yeah, it's typically like a toilet bowl cleaner. Come on over. It's not at my house though, so don't come on over. We're gonna have a wild night of pizza and video games. It's really a boy party, but it's okay. I'm gonna bring my Ninja slushie. We're gonna have a time. I'm gonna keep it in here till we get it turned back to powder because I can't keep saving. I do have a Ninja slushie. I love mine. So Liv, when we do our Clean Talk meetup, I've been doing Clean Talk a really long time. Paste yum. I've been watching since 2019, and I started posting over a year ago. No, I just did, like, at the end of last year, I did, like, all my dumps. I dumped everything that I had saved, because I was a hoarder. And I had too much stuff, and I'm trying to not be a hoarder again. Yeah, that's why I make my husband carry it. So,